This program presents original audio recordings and related primary source materials connected to the criminal case of Jeffrey Epstein. Names referenced in these calls are often abbreviated, incomplete, or identified only by initial. No assumptions are made regarding identity unless explicitly supported by court records. I will not be providing any political commentary, nor will I be speculating on anything or any of this evidence. There will be no conclusions drawn. I am not making this a political video. I am strictly going to give you the evidence and let you decide for yourself what is true and what is not true and who should be held accountable. I believe that all victims of sexual assault deserve justice. And I believe that all individuals who perpetrate on young girls and boys deserve justice. They deserve to be held accountable. Other than that, I will be making no more conclusions.
All right. I appreciate you coming down again. All right. The reason why I asked you to come down was that I'm investigating a case in which my investigation, I believe that you have information on Jeff Epstein. Okay?
Okay.
First of all, before we even begin, let me just swear you in. Okay, you raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know you're Spanish.
I know,
I can speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. First of all, do you remember Jeff?
Yeah.
Okay. It was an old Brillo. Okay. Why don't you tell me from the beginning and how you met him?
Okay, it was something in high school. Everybody was, like, trying to make money. And at the time I had 2 jobs, I guess. That was, like, 2 years ago or so.
About 2 years ago?
Yeah.
When you first met him? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I was 17.
What it is, you were 17 then?
Mm-hmm.
What is it that you were told you would have to do?
Give him a massage.
Okay.
That was it.
Okay. Who took you there?
Her name is...
Okay. All right. And do you have any formal massage training?
No.
No. He took you there.
Haley didn't take me there. Haley took one of my friends, and then Faith was the one who took me because he couldn't take me.
Okay. Faith
Pentek.
Pentek. Okay. Okay. When you got there, what happened?
It seems really weird, the whole situation, and there were more girls in the house. And then they just told me just go upstairs, they showed me the room. It was a massage room, like normal. And then he came, and I gave him a massage. It was like...
Okay. I've talked to a lot of girls, and a lot of girls have told me different things.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Okay. So I'm very aware of what happens when you provide a massage, okay?
Yeah.
When you got to the house, you went there with...
Yeah.
Okay. How did you come into the house? Do you remember?
What do you mean?
Did you come into the front door? Did you come through the garage? Did you come in?
Well, like, when you go inside, there's, like, the door. I don't know if it's the front door. I don't know.
Is it a wood door? Is it
a wood door, yeah.
It is a wood door.
Yeah, it's probably, like, the one. It's probably the back because it goes to the kitchen.
Okay, so it goes through the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay. And You were brought into the kitchen.
Yes.
Who was in the kitchen there
That's so long ago.
so long ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't remember like
Do you remember any of his assistants?
She was the one that.
She's one that you
Yeah.
met with.
And then it was a new, like one that called me and I told her that I wasn't gonna do it anymore. I don't. I think her name is what.
Okay. So when you come into the house and you go into the kitchen, you meet with some people there. Who takes you? You met.
Yeah. Then I tell her to sit down and everything. I go and call Jeffrey. That's what I was confused when you say Jeff. It's like I don't know any Jeff. And then she takes me upstairs and Faith stays there. And Faith stays there like all the time while I'm upstairs.
Okay. Okay. So takes you upstairs. Did you use the stairs
Yes.
to go upstairs? Okay. Do you recall anything weird when you were going up the
The
stairs?
pictures,
Okay. Pictures of what?
naked people.
Of naked people. Okay. Okay. She brings you into this. You said it was a massage room.
Yeah.
Okay. Is Jeffrey already there?
No.
Okay. What did you do next?
Oh, I sit down there. She tells me just wait a second. Then she comes back and we put like the little bed for the massage. And then she's like, okay, there's some lotion and he'll be right up.
Okay.
Then he comes in and he says, okay, this is. Oh, then he knows my name already. And then he's like, okay, just a massage.
Okay. When he came in, was he in a towel? Was he in a robe?
No, he had like clothes. He was running or something like that.
He had regular clothes on.
Yeah.
Okay. And he got on the table with the clothes on?
No, he took his clothes off and he put like a towel.
He put a little towel over. Okay. So at any point did you see him naked?
No, in the first time.
Okay. So he lays on the bed, on the massage bed with his towel, and you start massaging him. Do you remember where you provided the massage?
In the back, and he's like,
On his back, on his legs. Okay. How were you dressed when you were giving the massage?
oh, I was in jeans and a t-shirt.
Okay. Okay. At any point, did he ask you to remove your clothes?
Yeah.
Okay. This was during the first massage,
Yeah, and I say no.
and you said no. Okay. Um, okay. So you continue with the massage?
Yeah, it's kind of weird that he asked me to take my clothes off.
Okay. Um, so take me through then from there. You're doing the massage.
I did a massage. After I finished, he was like, okay, here's some. Actually, he paid me before I started doing the massage.
He paid you. How much did he pay you?
$200.
$200. At any time during when you're giving him the massage, did he ever turn over
Yeah.
onto his back?
Mhm.
Okay. Tell me what happened after that.
I massage him like, I don't know how to say it.
In his chest
In
area?
his chest, yeah.
Okay. During the time that you're massaging him on his chest, is he touching himself?
Yeah.
Okay. Explain that to me. Can you?
Well, he started getting a little excited about it, and he started touching himself, and I told him stop, and that would say it that way.
Okay. When you mean by touching himself, you mean he was masturbating?
Yeah.
Okay. And you told him to stop?
No, I didn't stop. Stop.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that while you're rubbing chest, did he ever take off his towel?
No.
So how would he be able to masturbate if he?
Well, he like had his hand on
Okay,
the
on her.
towel.
So you never saw him. Did you ever
Well,
see him naked?
no, not the first time. I saw her like the second time.
Okay. 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 So then you did you continue with your massage.
Yeah.
Okay. What else happened after that?
Nothing else after I was finished after. Actually, he wasn't. He's like though it was supposed to be an hour. But the first time it was just 30 minutes.
Okay. The time you were rubbing his chest and he was masturbating, did he ever climax?
No.
Do you know what I mean by that?
Yes.
Okay. Um, how did you end the massage? Did he just say that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you went back downstairs.
Yeah. And I say to Faith, okay, I'm done, and we left.
Okay. Did he ever ask you to leave your telephone number to call you back if you wanted to work?
He asked
He had
my
Faith for your phone
phone.
number. Okay. And did Faith give him your phone number? Okay. Did Faith get paid for taking you?
Yes.
How much did she get paid?
$200.
She got paid $200 for taking you as well. Okay, so tell me about the second time.
The second time, I don't remember who took me. I never went by myself. I was too scared to do it. But it was kind of like the same situation on the first one. But he offered me more money just to take my shirt off. And I didn't do it the second time. And it was the same, you know, he did the same things. And then he took his towel off.
Okay.
And after he was done, like, you know, he never like got to the climax. Like, I never saw him.
You never saw him? Okay. You were going to live. Okay.
That's how everything started.
That's how everything started?
Half of the school knows about it.
Half of the school know about it? Okay. Let me back you up for a second. You go the second time. Who calls you to go back to the house? Sarah calls you. And you make an appointment to go work.
Yes.
Okay. The same thing. You go into the back door into the kitchen area. You
Mm-hmm.
meet.
Yeah. Then she took me upstairs.
She takes you upstairs. Okay. He offered you more money to get naked.
Yeah. Well, he told me just to take my shirt off. He didn't
Okay.
say anything else.
Okay. And did you?
No.
No. But that's not the only 2 times you've gone. You've gone more times.
It was like around like 3, 4 times. And then I was just scared that he was gonna do something.
Okay. Did he ever photograph you?
No.
You ever
Now that I know.
Did he ever take videos of you?
No.
Okay. Did you ever give the massage with any other woman?
No.
Okay. Did you ever get naked while doing the massage? Any of the massages?
Once.
Once.
But it was in my underwear. It was never completely naked.
Okay. You stayed in your bottom underwear
And my top.
and your top, so you stayed in bra and panties. Okay.
I think it was one that I took my bra off, like I would say.
Okay. And each time you went, did he offer you more monies to do more things?
Yes. Actually, I knew that because of you probably know her. I don't know her last name.
Okay.
Because she asked me, she said he offered me more money if I have sex with him. And I said that never gonna happen. It's not what I'm gonna do it for money.
Okay. And by having sex, you means intercourse, or?
Yes, I guess. I don't know. I didn't like talking about it.
Okay. The second time, did he offer you more money to do more things?
Yeah, $100 more just to take my shirt off.
Okay. And you said you didn't do it. Okay. Did he masturbate on the second time?
Yeah.
And did he ever climax?
Actually, the second time, like, it wasn't that bad because he was like on the phone all the time, so he wasn't even like paying attention to what
Okay,
was
so
going on.
did he ever, at any point, ever masturbate the
No.
second time?
Not that I remember.
Okay. Did he ever ask you any questions or speak to you or say anything, ask you anything?
Well, he tried to talk to you just to make you comfortable with the situation. Like, what are you working? Like, how much do you make at your work? And then he starts saying you can make more with me, and but I didn't feel like it was right.
Okay. Did he ever know your real age?
After a while, like because somebody told him.
That you were,
Yeah,
16,
well, he
17?
told us that we're supposed to say that we're 18.
Okay. And who told you that, to say that?
He was the one who brought everything to everyone in school. And that's how we knew all about it. And then she took me.
Okay. So each time did you go get monies for taking you, or?
If she was going, well, she went with me twice, I guess. And that would say. And then I went.
Okay. And did she make money? Did make money for taking you too?
No, I was taking her.
Oh, you were taking her. So you brought.
She knew about it, and she asked me if I could tell her because she didn't know where he was.
Okay.
But I didn't get money out of
Okay. Did anybody ever help you do a massage with him?
it. No, asked me to do it with her, and I didn't feel comfortable.
Okay. All right. Talk to me about the third time you went.
I don't remember. It's kind of I don't always it was the same.
It was the same.
It was the same every time.
Well, I mean, obviously more stuff happened because he paid you more to do more things, right?
Yeah, this third time it was when I took my shirt off and
And stay with your bra, or were you
I
took
stayed
your
with
bra
my
off?
bra.
Okay.
And then that was when he paid me 300.
And he paid you $300 for that. Okay. And same thing.
Yeah.
He came in. Was he naked again?
Yeah.
Okay. You gave him a massage, and at that point, was he still playing with himself?
Yeah.
Okay, masturbating.
Mhm.
Okay. Do you know if any point did he ever climax during this?
No.
Okay. How would the massages end? Would he just say, "That's it, that's enough"?
Yeah. And you could just stand up and take a shower and grab my things and get
Okay.
it.
All right. Talk to me about the part when you got down to your underwear.
That was the last time that I saw him.
When was the last time was that?
That was a while ago. More than 6 months ago, I guess.
You sure it's not any time sooner than that?
I don't remember. Like I told him I didn't want to do it anymore, but I was just scared that he was going to do something.
Okay. Why do you say you were scared he was going to do something?
Because I know he has a lot of girls, and I don't know, he was offering Alex more money for it. I think he bought her a car or something like that. I don't know what. She just got a car, and she told me he got it for her.
You know what kind of car it was?
I think it was a Dodge or something.
A Dodge.
It was blue. And then she didn't have money for anything, and she ended up going to Europe for the summer.
Did
So
she go with him?
I don't know. We never talked about that because I didn't like the whole situation.
Okay. Did he ever touch you?
Yeah.
In what way?
My back and my butt.
Okay. Did he ever take out any toys?
No.
Did he ever touch your breast area? Did he touch your vaginal area?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he touch you with his hands or with
With
something
his
else?
hand.
Okay. Okay. Was this over your underwear or
Over
under
my
your?
arm.
Over or under?
Over.
Over. Did he ever insert his fingers in you? No. And as he was doing this, he was paying more money?
The maximum that he paid me was 300.
300. And that was the last time you went? When he touched your breast area, you didn't have a bra on?
I didn't have a medal.
You didn't have a bra on. And your buttocks, was that
Like,
over your panties or under your panties?
like I have a thong on, so.
You had thongs, okay. All right. Did he pull you close to him?
Yeah.
And all this while he was masturbating? Okay. Did he have you touch him?
No.
Aside from the massage, but touch him in his
No.
penis area? Did you bring anyone else other than what's his last name?
No. No idea.
How about did she also go to what about
Yes.
did you receive monies for taking you received money for or
I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I didn't.
okay. When was the last time you had contact with anyone from the house?
A while ago, because she told me that we're going to New York. Like last time we talked. Last time I went.
What's a while ago?
Probably 2 months or more.
Who called you? And she said that she was going where?
They were going to New York.
New York? Nobody from the house has called you to say that the police are looking into it? Okay. This case is basically an investigation, an open investigation. So I appreciate it. What we discuss stays here. Okay? Don't tell anybody that we've talked. Okay? Um, did you ever have any intercourse with him?
No.
No oral? Nothing?
Nothing at all.
Okay. I'm going to show you a group of photographs. I'm going to show you a group of 6 photographs, okay? I'm trying to see if this is in these 6 photos, okay? It's important that you look at all 6 of them and be sure of who you pick as okay? She may or may not be in these 6 photos, but it's important for you to pick the right one, okay?
Okay.
Take your time looking at those 6 photos there.
I don't see her.
She's in none of those photos there.
No.
How would you describe?
She could be hair, but she's blonde and she has short hair.
Blonde and short hair.
She look like hair, but I'm not sure.
Okay. I need you to. That's why I needed you to be absolutely sure. I appreciate you being honest and not picking anyone out because it's important for you. You know. You have my card, right?
No, I left it. Like, I think I left it at my job.
Okay, I gave your sister one. That's my card.
Oh, you went back to my house?
Yeah, I went by today. She won't give me your cell.
No.
Your sister?
You told him what he wanted?
No. I just told her that you were a witness and I needed to talk to you.
Is he gonna know anything about it?
About the investigation? I'm sure eventually he will find out about the investigation. I would appreciate it if anybody did contact you that you'd call me and give me, basically just let me know if somebody's called you,
If they call me?
if they call you. Is there anything else you'd like to add to the statement, or
No, I'm just scared that he's gonna know.
what are you scared of?
That maybe he's gonna do something.
No, it's not gonna do nothing. What did he tell you he did for a living?
He was a brain. Something. He studied the brain.
He's an investor and that's it. Just a money investor.
Yeah, maybe.
That's it. It's not half of the things what he told some of these people. He's just a money investor. That's it. So don't be afraid. And if they do call you, just call me and let me know. Okay?
If they ask me, like, if I'm coming out or something, should I just say no? Like, I don't want to go.
You haven't been there? When was the last time you said you were there?
3-4 months ago. Longer than that, I don't remember.
I think it's about 3 or 4 months ago. I think it's about 3 or 4 months ago because is there anything else you'd like to add?
Really?
No? Okay. Well, I appreciate you coming down and definitely walk you out.
Is there something gonna happen to me?
No. No, I just, like I said, you're not in any trouble whatsoever. I just wanted to talk to you. I appreciate you coming down. Okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. Can we walk out this way? Yeah, you want to go out this way? How you doing? Hey, listen, I'm going to show you some pictures. Don't watch it one here. Are you going to be in the area today? You want to come by sometime today? Probably get back to it in the site here. So, you know, I do have a bunch. A couple of them look like the ones to describe, but they're good over there. Okay. So I'm working till 5. I'll be here. Go on by. That'd be great. Yeah, I got one. I figured something else just so you know.
Before you go, please take a moment to like, share, and leave a comment. It really helps push the story out to a wider audience. The more engagement a video gets, the more the platform recommends it. And cases like this deserve to be seen, heard, and not forgotten. Your interaction doesn't just help the channel, it helps make sure victim stories aren't buried.
I just want to say thank you. Nothing more, no play. I appreciate